Hi everyone, it's Kathy and I am here with another reveal video, and today I will be sharing with you the stamp set called Butt Nuggets. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set. It has 11 images with some chickens and a cute little picket fence and some extra grass bits, as well as 7 sentiments, and some of them are pretty cheeky, like don't let anyone ruffle your feathers. Not my coop, not my poop, and what do you mean they eat them? Coordinating dies are also available. They are sold separately, and they cut out all of the images, including the fence. I did want to show you how this die works. I stamped it and colored it up, and then I placed the fence die on the very top. And this die is made so there's a little bit of a border up at the top after you die cut it. And these little grass pieces, they don't cut all the way through. They only cut up around the little grass tufts so that you can lift them out and tuck little images behind them. So after I ran that through my die cutting machine, I had a little bit of trouble getting the tape off because it's time for me to cut my nails. But once I finally get all of the tape taken off and the die removed, I do use my scissors to trim off the edges so that my whole image is die cut. And this die cut is nice because you can have your grassy area as tall as you want on the front of your card. This is what it looks like once it's all die cut and the dies are all removed. And I pulled up those little tufts of grass that I had die cut so that I could show you how you can tuck a couple of chickens down in there as well. I do have a couple of samples to share with you, and they're pretty clean and simple. I think that this particular stamp set goes perfectly with the new bandana patterned paper pack. And then for added background on that one, I used one of the big background stamps. And here's another clean and simple card. And again, I really wanted to showcase that bandana paper pack because I think it's so fun. And that's it. That wraps up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.